It's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So it's Sunday. I've been doing sewing stuff 3 days straight now. Today I am working on my 93-37, the pants. I always do inseam pockets. I don't do these pockets. And then usually I would make the top too, but this year I'm going to try to make hoodies with my jogger sets. I make jogger sets every year, but this year I'm going to try to make hoodies versus the regular top. The next one I'm working on is Simplicity 9240. I'm doing view A, but I'm adding the hood to it. View A has pockets. I love that about it. So I'm going to do this view A, but I'm going to add the hood from view B to it. And I'm going to use this tie-dye fabric that I got. It was a remnant from Vine Fabrics. It was well over 3 yards. It was a lot. I still got about a half a yard left and I cut out both these. So it was a good amount of fabric. So that's what I'll be working on today. And then once I get that done, finish that, I'll need to take photos. I'm not sure when I'm going to get that done. I'm going to try my best to get it done pretty soon so I can put this video up. But then after that, I will do a Dragon Con recap. Not sure if it's day 3 or day 4, but it's going to be one of those days. I went 4 days, so it'll be some type of Dragon Con recap at the end of this video. All right, so let me get started. Okay, so my serger just came unthreaded. It's only one thread that's unthreaded, but it's the one that's the hardest to maneuver through the machine. It's the number 4. I have a Janome serger. So it's the number 4 thread. It goes through one of the needles. And that last little loop thing that it needs to go through is so hard to get to. So I'm frustrated because I got my pants done and now all I need to do is work on the shirt. And right when I was serging one of my armbands, it came unthreaded. So this is the front of the shirt. I'm just going to add the sleeves. I got to match up my notches. So since this is the front, it's 1 notch. I'm really aggravated about my serger though. I'm gonna probably pin and sew the sleeve, because I like having my even though this is knit and it doesn't fray, I like to serge my seams. Especially since the way I cut this, my edges are so jagged. I did a horrible job cutting this fabric out. So I want to, all else fails, I'm going to grab this serger over here. They got black thread on it. And serge these seams. Depends on how frustrated I get trying to get this thing threaded again. So that's one front sleeve. And this is the other front sleeve. And you do the back the same way. I guess these are the raglan sleeves. I guess that's what these are. Somebody let me know in the comments. But once I sew these, I sew the back the same way. This is the back of the sleeve. I just match the notches and pin it. But I had to come on here and share my frustrations about my serger. But again, I have a temporary fix. Because I really want to finish this outfit today. The pants are done. The top is not going to take much to finish it. I want to get this done today. Because I have goals that I'm trying to accomplish. And the serger won't let me be great. It will not stop me. So just in case you couldn't hear or see me, I'm going to re-record this. So this is the jogger set. This is Simplicity 9337, the pants. The top is Simplicity 9240. It has pockets. The pockets go with view A. The hood actually goes with view B. But I added the hood to view A. So I like it. I think it goes well together. I want to make more of these. It'll just depend on how much fabric I have. But yeah, definitely like it. In the Dragon Con recap, cars keep on by. In the Dragon Con recap, they did a memorial to Joanne Fabrics. So I'm going to put that picture up. It's super cute. I posted it on my Instagram and my Facebook the day I saw it, but I will pop a picture during the Dragon Con recap so you all can see it. But here is the jogger set. I like it. This fabric Love it. It feels so good against my skin. Double brush poly. Love it. Love everything about it. Okay, so last day of Dragon Con. It's day 4. It's my last day. Um, Actually, Monday, Labor Day, is the last day of Dragon Con, but I always end mine on Sunday so I can rest on Monday because work on Tuesday. um, so, not much to tell for today. I knew I wasn't going to do very much because I had seen all the panels that I wanted to see already. Um, Only thing I probably could have seen, but I just didn't get up and get down there early enough, is Simon Pegg. And that wasn't on my list to start with, so no regrets. If he comes again another year, I will go to his panel another year. Um, so I slept. I actually slept in. I slept in. I got up. I cooked breakfast. Watched church online. Then I got up and got dressed and went down there. So I got to the MARTA station about 12. It seemed like everybody else had the same idea because the MARTA train was packed. um, so got down there and what's the first thing I did? I went to I went to one of the hotels and I sat down for some reason. Um, then I went to the Hilton, to the Black Nerds photo shoot. Took a couple of pictures. I don't have a lot of pictures, but I took a couple of pictures. Um, then I went over to the Hyatt. They have an art show there every year at the bottom level of the Hyatt. So I went down there, walked through the art show. Um, and then I decided to go get in the line for the dealer room because I was going to walk around there until I got tired and then I was going to come home. Um, that line, it took almost 2 hours to get in there. There are 4 floors once you get in there. So my thought was, I get in the line, I get in there, walk the 4 floors, see what's all in there, maybe get some inspiration, and then come home. It took almost 2 hours to get in there. I was so exhausted. All I could do when I got in there was sit down. Um, I was I wanted like some fries and something to drink just to kind of hold me over until I got home. Um, Everything was expensive. And I know it. I always know it's going to be expensive, but like $6 for tater tots? Absolutely not. Um, Absolutely not. Um, I was looking for French fries, but tater tots was the closest option. But I looked at that price, so I would have paid $4 for a drink and $6 for $10 for tater tots and a drink. Absolutely not. The $30 breakfast got me yesterday. No. So I just sat down for a little while, rest my feet. Um, I don't even think I walked around. I don't think I walked around any of the exhibits. I was so tired and aggravated because it took so long to get in there. Um, that I just said, you know what? I'm done. I pulled up the MARTA station's schedule to see when the next train was. I got to the train station a minute before the train I needed got there, but I had to go down that long escalator, so I knew I wasn't gonna make that train. So the next train was 15 minutes away. So just sat down in front of Marta has this big huge fan that blows. So I just sat in front of the fan until the next train came. Um, but yeah, I didn't do much today at all. Um, I'll pop up some pictures so you all can see the pictures that I got. But I didn't do a lot at all. That 2 hour wait, almost 2 hour wait, got me. um, so, but I got my money's worth from Friday and Saturday. I got my money's worth. I always get my money's worth, but this year just seemed like everything was just kind of aligning like it was supposed to. um, so yeah, so that's it for day 4 for me. I went and got me some chicken, honey chipotle chicken crispers from Chili's with some loaded mashed potatoes and broccoli. That seems to be my favorite meal from Chili's, and now it used to be the steak, loaded mashed potatoes and broccoli, but steak started to give me heartburn, so bye bye steak. Um, I think that's excuse me. I think that's all I wanted to tell you about day 4. Yeah, not a lot happening. I did get some pictures though. I don't know where these sneezing fits are coming from, but yeah. Um, and I started watching Butterfly on Prime. Have y'all seen that? It's with Daniel. I can't think of his name, but he played Shinho Kelly on Hawaii Five-O. I think his first name is Daniel. But yeah, I heard it was good. So it's on Amazon Prime. So I'm gonna watch that. I need to take a shower, watch the Dragon Con off me, then finish watching it because I was watching it while I was eating. So I think that I'm going to go ahead and shower, watch the Dragon Con off me, and then finish watching Butterfly until I get sleepy. So that's it for day 4 of Dragon Con. I don't know how these videos are gonna go. By the time y'all see this one, you'll be able to see the other days. So but right now I have no idea how I'm gonna edit these and put them up. I don't know if I'm gonna do I don't know. That's how tired I am. But thank y'all for always coming along with me on my Dragon Con adventures. Even though I don't give y'all as much pictures as I promise, I still just don't get the pictures. But if you're interested, check out Dragon Con on Instagram. They post all weekend. And it's good stuff. It's really good stuff. I don't know who does their Instagram and Facebook pages, but it's good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna see you all in the next video before I start rambling. You see my eyes are half closed. See you in the next video.